Good evening, everyone. Now, this is the question from quadratic equation I have taken. If in such type of question 4 options will be given, then how you will solve? What is the method to solve it? So, see, the name of the channel is Mathematics Rose. Mathematics Rose, and I am Sajid Akhtar. Please like, subscribe, and do not forget to view the whole video from the beginning to end. Now, solution. Here the question says solve. Here the question says that solve x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 under bracket x minus 1 by x. This is given. So now see, we are writing the question again. X plus 1 by x whole square, it is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2, then x minus 1 by x. This is the question. Suppose I am taking it equation number 1. This is not given in the quadratic form, so we will have to reduce it in the quadratic equation form. Okay. For that, let x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square. If you will take the x plus 1 by x whole square, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 will come. If you subtract over here minus 4, so you will get it. So x minus 1 by x whole square barabar 1 x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. How it is come? Because this is the formula. It is known to you. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Minus 4ab. This is 4. I am just writing it here. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Suppose I will take how I have written this. A is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. So what will come? See, x minus 1 by x whole square, it is equal to, in place of this, x plus 1 by x you will have to put. In place of a, x you will put. In place of b, 1 by x whole square minus 4 into x into 1 by x. So x will cancel. So you will get it x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. This you will get. Now, let us now if you will bring minus 4 in this side, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to plus 4 is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square. This. Now I am coming to the question. Now from 1 it is given. The question is x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 into x minus 1 by x. This. Now in place of x plus 1 by x, so here is, this is the x plus 1 by x whole square. So in place of this we can substitute this from here, equation number 2 suppose. So in place of this I am substituting x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4, and this is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 by x. So this will come. So up to this you will understand. Now let us suppose x minus 1 by x is equal to any other variable t. So this will become t square plus 4, and this is 4 plus 3 by 2, and this is only t, because here is a square, so t square, and here is no square, so only t. And 4 will cancel because sign is same. If you will bring in this side, plus minus will cancel. So t square is equal to 3 by 2 t. This will come. Now we will bring this side. T square minus 3 by 2t is equal to 0. So now or you will write here, take LCM 2. So 2t square minus 3t is equal to 0. Therefore 2t square minus 3t is equal to 0 into 2, so it is 0. Now 2t square it is. So take 2t square. Now 2t square minus 3t is equal to 0. Take t common. So 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore one value of t is equal to 0 and other or 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. So this will give you 3 by 2. So one value of t is equal to 0 and other is 3 by 2. So now we will proceed it. See here. Here t is equal to 0, 1, another t is equal to 3 by 2. We are proceeding. So now in place of t we can write x minus 1 by x. This is taken as t, it is equal to 0. Take the LCM x, so it is x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square minus 1 is equal to 0 into x. So it is x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to root under 1. So there will be plus and minus 1, because you know that 1 square is also equal to 1 and minus 1 square is also equal to 1. So this is one part, value of the answer. And second is C over here, x plus 1 by x. Here in place of t I am writing this, and this is equal to t by 2, 3 by 2. Now take LCM x square minus 1, it is equal to 3 by 2. Do the cross multiplication, 2x square minus 2 is equal to 3x. Now bring 3x square in the left hand side here, and minus 2 you will shift here at the last term, because constant term is always written at the last. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So we have to multiply two numbers in such a way that their sum will be equal to, their product will be equal to minus 4. 2 into minus 2, it is equal to minus 4, and their sum must be equal to what? Their sum must be equal to minus 3, sum or subtraction. So if we will take 2x square minus 4x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from these two, 2x you will take common. So 2x minus 2, and here what will be the common? 1 is common. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now this and this is the common factor. So x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. Next value of x, and for other 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to what? Minus 1, and x is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. So this is another value, and earlier we have got x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So there are how many number of solutions? There are 4 solutions. So answer will be, I am just writing the answer. Answer solution of this equation. Solution is equal to 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 by 2. So these are the four answers of the question. So that's all. So I hope you will understand, all of these students understand. So if the four options will be given, and you will have to tick in this way. So this is the question related to the equation which is reduced to quadratic equation. So if such type of question will be given, you will have to do it. And in general, the formula used over here is a plus b whole square plus minus a minus b whole square, it is equal to 4ab. This formula will be useful. So from this formula, such type of question will be solved, and you will have to take either x plus 1 by x is equal to t, or x minus 1 by x is equal to t, and form the quadratic equation and solve the equation. Thank you. Bye bye. I think you will understand it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, as well as please view from the very beginning to the end of the video. Thank you. Bye bye.